are here at the Daintree River crossing. We're going to cross the Daintree on the ferry and then drive 14 kilometres more and we get to a campground. So yeah, it's a bit exciting. First time we've been on a river crossing on one of these barges, so we'll see what it's like when we get there. See ya! Managed to get the ferry free this time. All the month of June it's free. It's a cable ferry, so it just drags along a cable, backwards and forwards all day. Pretty cool.
Just down the middle. Cheers.
Can't really see him, but we've got spotted our first crocodile.
Good day guys, so we've left Cairns and took a trek up to the Daintree. We're going to explore for the next week. So we just arrived here and just about to plug the old power in and well, look what I found. Good job I didn't go straight in there really, wasn't it? Anyway, I'll catch you later.
Daintree. Beautiful rainforest we're driving through. We're driving slowly up to Cape Trib. Just have a look.
Just did a little bit of footage on Thornton Beach. We pretty much had the whole beach to ourselves. There's one other people there, I think one other couple. But wow, what a beautiful beach that was.
Very pretty round here. We're still trying to spot a cassowary, but we did see a crocodile yesterday, didn't we?
Yeah, a little baby one.
Yeah, it was cute.
Good morning again. We've just driven up to Cape Tribulation.
Morning.
Morning, Vicky's birthday morning. Birthday girl. And we're just going to do this boardwalk. There's a series of boardwalks up here. that go through the rainforest, and this one goes to a lovely looking beach, I think. So we'll show you if we find anything along the way.
See ya!
Doesn't happen a lot, but it sure does happen. So we reckon crocodiles are not safe until at least 6 years old, or 1.5 meters. And this one is actually one of our regular ones, but we don't like to name him just yet. So this one doesn't have a name. It's just a 2017 model. Yeah, I think a little bit nervous. Yeah, looks like Dusty. So she needs to get some energy for the night. At night rule. This one got caught by the park rangers when he was about 3 years old.
We're about to go on the I can't say it. Madja botanical walk. It's
1.2 kilometres.
Cool.
And another little boardwalk through the rainforest.
We're still trying to spot a cassowary. We'll see. at Barron Gorge, and this is a pretty hardcore structure here to stop the rocks falling on the road, so we better get a move on. We didn't get squished. Part of Barron Gorge. It's another waterfall. We're probably sick of seeing waterfalls, but we like them. And here we are back in Cairns. We've come back from Daintree, which was beautiful but very wet and damp, and now we're in Cairns for about a week, just regrouping, and we're gonna then head west. NT's opening up on the 17th, so that's good news for us. So we'll probably do a few stays along the way before it opens up. We'll come for a walk along the beach at Yorkie's Knob. Childishly, I think it's very funny. Catch you later. Another beautiful Queensland beach. Yorkie's Knobby. Oh no, Yorkie's Knob.
Yorkie's Knobby? You can't call it that.
I don't know whether...
School holidays, there's no one around. It's beautiful.
Lovely. Can't complain about this. Here's Jim doing a bit of kite surfing. There he goes. Oh, there he goes into the water. Crash. Oh, back up again. Alright, let's admit it's actually Jim. We're on Holloway's Beach, and we have been here before, but we thought we'd come back because we're going to go into inland soon, so we'll be missing the beach. The water's not...
Bit windy.
Yeah, it's a bit windy. The water's a bit brown, which is a bit disappointing, but it is very pretty. Lovely mountains in the background, everyone chilling out, so we're going to go and see the kite surfers over there, and then maybe go and find a coffee. You know, another hard day in the life of Jim and Vicky. Catch ya!